Kia ora tātou I te whānau Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā, kei roto iti mātou I tēnei wā, I roto anō I tō tātou nei kaupapa o te Waka tangata. Kia ora everybody, here we are at Roto Iti for the first of our Waka tangata wānanga, and the kaupapa today is simply to get whānau familiar again around Waka tangata. We are building a Waka tangata at the moment, whānau, and it's going to sit within our cultural strategy and within our cultural framework. And one of the big kaupapa that we've got coming up in November is Tuia 250th, where we will commemorate the encounter between our people and Captain Cook when he came into Mere Toto. This is our first wānanga, the whānau are buzzing, and so we can't wait to get out onto the water.
Kia ora, my name is Candice Hemi Mason, no Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā ahau, no Rātā Pāhau. My first time on Waka has been this weekend, thoroughly enjoying learning all of the new learning about Waka. Looking forward to November and yeah, enjoying myself.
We couldn't have a better place and a more special place, a wāhi tapu connected to Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā to revitalise Waka. You know, it means so much to us, and as we start to prepare for the 250th commemoration out at Mere Toto in November, it's ideal that we are here coming back to the source of Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā, to this pātaka kai, to this wāhi tapu to revitalise Waka tangata. Bit lost for words actually, everybody. Just want to say that we humbly stand before you and we want to thank you and acknowledge you for coming out at this crazy time in the morning and supporting us in the revival of Waka and what that means for Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā. In reflection, really emotional about the day. Only 10 months ago we started to think about developing and building a waka that would fit within the cultural strategy for Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā, and then today that dream became a reality. And you know, going out there on the waters this morning, joined with everybody and the karakia that was done, it was just a real special moment.
Today watching our Waka glide out there. It was a magical moment. It's one of those moments where you actually have to be there to see it, to feel it. You could feel those that have passed on around you when the kāranga went out. It was beautiful. It's just, what can one say? Upper awesomeness. Kia ora.
I am extremely proud of Ngāti Apa. I think it's another storybook for us. It's another part of our history. I think we've shown that we are a really progressive iwi. Kylie and his rangatahi group have also done us proud. You can almost imagine going back 200 plus years and imagining our ancestors doing something very similar. Extremely proud, as I say. Wonderful moment for all our iwi up in the top of the South Valley.
So Ngāti Apa ki te Rātā was asked on behalf of the 4 iwi to do the wero at Meretoto. And so for the last 2 years we've been training the rangatai really hard at whānau to ensure that they're at the level required to be able to perform such a ritual. And to see them roll it out in the manner that they did the other day, it was another indicator of the cultural capacity that we've been building over the last 5 years, and it's great to be able to see that they were able to do it in the mana and the integrity and the humility required.
Māori, Hoe
Today was another signal to me that we're on the right path in terms of the revitalisation of our language and our culture. When we came here, we went out onto the Waka, onto Te Haiata, and to be accompanied by Ngāti Koe and Te Atiawa out on the waterways, that hasn't happened for some years. and paddling out to meet the Tahitian Waka in particular, and then starting to hear that drum and just thinking about that connection between their tupuna, tupaia, and our people that were here when he came. It actually got quite emotional, to tell you the truth. You would have seen that they were wearing the tipare kawa, the headband. There's a lot of kōrero there about that. And then in today's context, it's around, we were bringing on mate. This was a kawe mate, this was bringing tupaia's mate on, and all of our tupuna here to mere toto. And so when they laid the koha to Māori, again, I got really emotional, simple things like stones, but they connect to us so much in terms of our cultural identity. So yeah, been a huge day. We've got another big day tomorrow with out there at the Civic Welcome, where our Waka flotilla will again go out to meet the bigger boats and then bring them into Picton foreshore. But nei rā te ngā kauiti e mihi ana ki a tātou katoa. Tia Māori.
Today was an amazing experience on our new Waka Te Haiata with our other Waka from Kurahopo and Te Atiawa.
We've had quite a few Waka whānanga, late night trainings, practicing for the wero and everything.
So it was kind of scary seeing the endeavour, and we could have a vision of what our tupuna seemed.
So today was just around about bringing the flotilla into the foreshore here. It's such a beautiful spot. And to provide an opportunity for the wider public to see this spectacular kaupapa unfold, and again to see the Tahitian and the Waka Māori come in with the endeavour as well, and then to be able to come in and to showcase, I guess, the home waka here to our wider community.
My favourite saying, apa awesomeness.
Yeah, it's pretty special. Again, another notch in our history of the future. Just wonderful.